Welcome back to the Inner Circle Show. In today's episode, we have a new Palantir partnership and a new announcement. But before we get into both of those things, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn your notifications on so you do not miss an upload Monday through Friday. So yesterday, Palantir announced a new partnership between themselves and Tree Energy Solutions, TES. And the whole point of this partnership is actually to leverage Palantir's software solutions, in particular their AI solutions, to actually support TES's, I don't know how to say that, Tree Energy Solutions, energy transition and global decarbonisation efforts. Tree Energy Solutions are a global green energy company specialising in the production of electric natural gas derived from green hydrogen. They are actually headquartered in Europe, but they have a global presence in Asia, the Middle East, Australia and North America. This has been announced as a multi-year partnership, but at this current time, we don't actually know how much this partnership is worth. We don't really know what Palantir is getting for their work here. That is all unknown, as sometimes these contracts are. But Palantir will be providing Foundry and AIP to actually help with supply chain management, simulation and scenario modeling for investment optimization, site selection, asset management, carbon emission tracking and modeling the energy transformation pipeline. So clearly they are going to be doing a lot with Tree Energy Solutions, and actually this is another example of Palantir expanding into a new vertical, expanding Palantir's footprint into the green energy sector, which is of course a very, very fast growing sector. And Palantir have actually said, for Palantir it is the first partnership of its kind, building on its significant experience in the energy sector, including renewables and green energy projects globally. And this just underpins how truly powerful Palantir really are, because we keep seeing contracts, partnerships pop up here and there, but the important thing is they're all very, very different. The way that Palantir is helping different organizations across different sectors is incredibly diversified, and that shows that Palantir are not only able to help many industries, but they're also able to customize their solutions as necessary. If you've got software, if you've got a company that can do that, the world's their oyster. Because like we know, they're not only useful for defense, government contracts, the commercial sector, but then within them, there's many areas that they can actually help with. We've also had another piece of news. Now, this actually isn't a new contract. This is Palantir working with a company called LifeWallet, and I believe they announced they were working together back in January 2023. So it's not new in terms of a brand new contract, a brand new partnership, but there is new information to unpack. So LifeWallet, in case you've never heard about them, and I hadn't before this either, they specialise in the reimbursement recovery within the healthcare sector. And they have actually just announced that they have completed the first version of their clearinghouse solution through a partnership with Palantir. The purpose of this partnership, so Palantir and LifeWallet, is to create a data management system for LifeWallet using Foundry. The whole idea being is to collect and analyze data from various sources and then provide real-time data-driven insights, meaning that they can quickly process and analyze data as it comes in, and then they can help healthcare providers and insurers make timely decisions, which then of course has a knock-on effect. It saves money, it increases efficiency, and so on. And this is something that of course we see across pretty much all of Palantir's work. And then of course in other news, we have Palantir's Q2 earnings quickly approaching. They are going to be reported on the 5th of August. The market and us retail investors obviously will be watching this very, very closely. We want to see an insight into how Palantir's been doing. We want to see and hear about any significant developments and insights that the company have. And of course, we want to hear about what the executive team, including Alex Karp, have to say about the guidance and the future trajectory of the company. And just like I did with the Tesla Q2 earnings, I'm going to be opening up a completely free to join Discord server. This server will be linked in the description below and as a pinned comment. If you want to come and join that, you absolutely can. It will be opened for conversation about 20 minutes before the earnings come out, and then we can chat in real time about the earnings as they're happening, and then that Discord server will be closed 24 hours after the earnings have been released. So come over there and join me and others, and we can actually talk about what's going on with Palantir's earnings in real time. The Tesla one was really, really fun, and I'm excited to do it again. If you're still watching at this point in the video, drop a comment below and let me know what percentage of your portfolio Palantir stock makes up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in tomorrow's episode.